Silica Gel, a loyal companion in your medication packaging.
In the world of pharmaceuticals, silica gel is the unswerving ally ensuring the potency and safety of your medications. Its moisture-controlling abilities play a pivotal role in protecting the stability and effectiveness of your vital drugs.
Silica Gel diligently battles the harmful effects of humidity, preventing degradation and preserving the therapeutic properties of your medications. Whether it's life-saving prescriptions or over-the-counter remedies, Silica Gel is the unsung hero within your medicine cabinet. Discover how this unassuming desiccant becomes an indispensable part of your healthcare routine, safeguarding your well-being one pill at a time. Buy now, or more info, click the link. More info, click the link in bio.